Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to use Smart Wake feature on Realme C67 device. Well, Smart Wake is a convenient feature on Realme device that allows users to easily light up their phone screen by performing double click. But it can't light up the phone screen is awake. Okay, just let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down and then you can select Smart Control menu. Okay, and then in this section, you can activate Smart Wake Up by pressing the button here. Well, and then let's check it. Okay, it's worked. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use Smart Wake feature on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.